What's going on, guys? F32 Mick here. Now finally back in the F32. So in today's video, what I'm going to be doing is installing my new M Performance shift knob. So it's a manual car, so you know, not much around, especially in the F32 variant, but here it is. I've been wanting to do this for so long now. So it's an official OEM part as well, you know, for the OEM warriors. If that focuses, which I don't think it will, but yeah, it is OEM. So it's the shift knob, so you've got the dry carbon around the sides, Alcantara here, you've got the M Performance logo there with obviously the gears, and then all of this is Alcantara as well with the white stitching. So it's going to replace the normal M Sport shift knob. So yeah, what I'm going to do is show you guys exactly how to replace this. So to actually take off the shift knob, what you're going to need to do is lift up obviously all of this piece. So just for reference, there's some clips, so it would fit in like that. So you've got these clips on the side, these two on the front, that on the back, and then on the other side. So you literally just grab it and then lift it. Now what you're going to need to do is literally yank this off. So you literally have to pull with all your strength, especially, you know, if you haven't done this before, because the gear knob will be on there so hard. But yeah, you literally just got to pull it off. So I'm going to do that off camera. So finally that is off. That was bloody hard, Jesus Christ. But yeah, as you can see, there's that. So there's the normal M Sport one. Can't wait to get rid of this. Cannot wait. But look at this, man. This is so nice. Just everything about it is just perfect. You know, I'm not even a fan of carbon fiber, but that just, it looks amazing. So with this, as you can see, it's just that. So you just slap that on. As you can see, oh, that feels much better. Let me just line that up. And there we go. Just give it. So, yes, guys. So finally got that in. I had a little issue there. So what the situation is this Gearstick is from a M135i, so Sonny's, you would have seen on the channel, but I didn't realise, I should have realised, but I didn't realise that this piece is actually different. So on the F2X cars, they don't curve in there. So as you can see, this is the gator for the F2X1, God's sakes, F2X cars, so the 1 Series and 2 Series. If you have a look here, it's just straight. Here, it curves in. So what I've had to do is butcher everything. So I've taken the stick off this gator here. So what happens is it's actually glued down, and then there's these staples in. But it looks like the staples are just so easy to come off on this one. So I obviously just pulled that off, and then you just have the bare gear stick. So as you can see, I had to reuse the gator out of my original one. So this is what it looks like, and it's just flappy, and then you can see the staples inside there. But yeah, I've had to obviously take that off, reuse the gator, but it is perfect now, and wow, this feels amazing. Well, I've drove the car, look at that, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. It's such a short throw compared to the normal M Sport one. It's so much better. Obviously, as this car is an SE, I've literally gone through the whole of the ranks. So I've had the normal SE one, which is terrible. I've had this one, which is the M Sport one, and then I've had the M Performance. I've got the M Performance one now, and this is by far the best, hands down. But yeah, guys, quick install. As usual, things are not going to plan, but you know, you always have to improvise. But yeah, I'm loving it. So guys, if you did enjoy this video, I know it was a short and quick one. I couldn't really show everything as well, as you know, it was spanned over a few days time. But yeah, If you guys enjoyed it, please like, share, subscribe to the channel. I'm making good traction. I'm really enjoying it. But yeah guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.